Hello guys, in this video I just want to show you quickly how to change the language on the TradingView app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So to change the language on this app, you have to go to the menu, which is on the bottom right corner, and here first it's going to appear like this. And from here you just have to tap on the settings icon, which is here, the second row and the third row and the second icon. And when you tap on it, this menu is going to appear, and the last item is going to be the language icon. And when you tap on it, you can choose from this list. There are not a lot of languages available, but I'm sure you can choose one that you are familiar with. Wow, that's interesting. There is an Indian English version, but no UK version. So yeah, there is English, Dutch, French, Spanish, Italian. So yeah, you just tap on the language that you want to choose, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.